hurling these accusations?
DMK and other people.
DMK and?
There are other people.
Who's other people? Is it Vijay?
No, Vijay.
Is it anybody from Vijay's party? Is it anybody from the producers of Jananayagan? Who is hurling these accusations? I think that itself answers your question. People who are trying to fish in imaginary muddled waters, who are trying to prolong and create and prolong a narrative against the central government, are coming up with all sorts of chaos theories. So you may say DMK and others. I will say it is DMK and its alliance partners. Even the Congress is now openly and overtly criticizing the DMK for its handling of anything connected to Vijay. You know, that is the truth today. So I think it's really, media at least should be responsible enough to not keep saying, is this something that the central government has come up with? Because 5 state elections are going to happen. Yes, Tamil Nadu is an important state because I'm obviously proudest of my state. That said, you cannot undervalue the importance and significance of the other 4 regions as well. So it is ridiculous to say that the central government has so much time to meddle in one movie's future, especially when a propaganda movie like Parashakti has been released. So I believe that this is a very unfortunate situation wherein the producers, instead of cooperating with the censor board, have taken a legal route, and it's very unfortunate because it takes time. The legal system in India does not work according to movie release schedules. Kangana Ranaut, who was a BJP MP, who is a BJP MP, found this out last year. Are you going to have a conspiracy theory about BJP stopping their own MP's movie?
But
Rahul ji is a nice person. With due respect to him, he has problems with everything. He has problems with special intensive revision. Sorry, he has problems with the special intensive revision. Before that, he had a problem with census, taking a census, not taking a caste census. Before that, he had a problem with EVMs. Today, he has a problem with a movie. This is the same Congress which he is a part of because he doesn't lead it, you know. Congress had a problem with a movie called Kutra Patrika. Is Rahul Gandhi even aware of this movie? For years and years and years, lives were destroyed. That producer was completely destroyed. At a point when it finally released as a fragment of its original self, the director disowned the movie. So are we going to talk about Kutra Patrika? Are we going to talk about Garam Hava? Are we going to talk about all the print publications, media that were silenced during his grandmother's reign? Are we going to talk about what National Herald stands for today? Are we going to talk about all this? So I think he has no standing to virtue call anyone else. I really wish Rahulji would talk responsibly instead of buying into and propagating such conspiracy theories because, you know, he has a little bit of credibility left and he's trying so hard to lose that also.